So in the last video, we were installing a new dishwasher because the old dishwasher leaked all over the floor and we had to rip up the floor and tear the wall out. If you want to see how we put that new dishwasher in, there's a video right up here. But let me show you what we're going to do now. So it's your standard 3/4 inch thick tongue and groove hardwood flooring. This is pre-finished, which is nice. So once you nail it in, you got a floor. And we took all the pieces here and we took them out of the boxes and we kind of stacked them up, and they're different lengths so you can have a little bit of variety when you put them in. There's the flooring stapler. We're going to get to that in a second. We're going to go on top of OSB subfloor, and I'm not going to use rosin paper because last time it got a little wet and warped the floor. Rosin paper is used for moisture barrier, friction barrier, dust reduction, and squeaking reduction. Well, today, I'm not using it. So this is the flooring stapler. This is a Performax. These are the flooring staples, 2 inches long by 1/2 inch wide. I'll give you a link below if you want to pick up some of these staples. This is a pack of 1,000, which will be plenty for this job. And the staples load into the flooring stapler. You hook it up to the air hose. Tank pressure is at 140 PSI. I want enough air pressure so I can get that staple to go through this tongue into the floor. See, this says align with flooring tongue. So we set it up right there on the edge of the tongue. We're going to hit this part with this hammer, like this. And that's it. The staple's inside. So we're going to put another piece here. So there's a tongue on the end of this one and a groove on the end of that one. Do the next one, and so forth and so on. And then you pick another one out of the pile, like, I don't know, maybe this one. You want to be able to alternate seams. See that? I need a longer piece. Yeah, so that piece will be good. So then your alternate seams. See, I don't have any seams that are meeting up, and it's all for strength. And you just keep going, board by board, row by row, until you run out of energy, which I've pretty much just done. So we'll take a break for now, and we'll see you in the next video.